What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Simon and welcome to a new series of me trying to kill myself again on one of these. So if you haven't seen one of these before, this is a OneWheel Pint. It's basically one big tyre with motors and a balance board, and it uses gyroscopes to kind of balance yourself out, move forward, move back. Completely different to the skateboard, and initial impressions is a lot of fun, but I've kind of picked up the basics, but only very slowly, as you'll see on the bit of video that I'm about to show. Now I did have a Volvo Stoke, one of these, but the roads around where I am are just a bit crap for street wheels, and unfortunately I just wasn't getting the use out of it, so that went, and this came. I must admit the tech in this is immense. The gyroscopes, I think it's top speed of about 15-16 miles an hour, although I've barely gone over about 3 or 4. 6 to 8 miles, and yeah, just a damn bit of fun. So hopefully over the coming weeks this will be me hopefully getting better, and I'm going to take you along for the ride. So it's just a little mini series of my pint story. So. So I just want to also give another shout out to RideRight Waxing and Slide and Glide. So RideRight Waxing for your, I don't know, I suppose you kind of got me started on this journey for a OneWheel Pint. I was already thinking about it. I tried one at Viking Trail down in Kent, really liked that. But I really liked your videos, so a big shout out to your channel. If you don't subscribe to this guy's channel, then please check it out. I'll put the link in the description below. The ride and slide guys who actually provided the pint, fantastic service, from me ordering it at 10 o'clock one day and getting it by 11 o'clock the next day, and then some accessories the day after, exactly the same level of service. Absolutely fantastic. Again, big shout out to them for that and the excellent service. I'll put a link in the description below for that. So I must admit the app is really good. Shows you all the functions, your miles, your distance, your speed, activates straight away. So that's really slick. So initial impressions of that are pretty good. So what do I think? It's scary, it's fun, it's going to be a challenge learning it. Like I said, I've got the basics I think nailed, but not at any great speed, and very much in the front garden for now. Next step will be bigger space, open it up a little bit, try and get a bit more speed. So yeah, very good so far. Absolutely love it. Let's see how good I get. So hope you enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you very soon. Bye bye.